And for today was to go south in the direction of the town of Tonnerre. We are here in the Bourgogne Tonnerre wine area, right door actually to Chablis. The geology is the same in both areas, however in Bourgogne it is the Pinot Noir grape, and they make red and rosé, and in Chablis it is the Chardonnay, and it is predominantly white. Both areas, however, are excellent to cycle in, and they make very good wines. Here we are at the Bourgogne Canal. We found a nice cafe in an active part of town with an appropriate name. Location here is just north of Bernouil, and this area is in between the vineyards of the Tonnerre and the Chablis. View over the vineyards of the Bourgone Epineuil area. The town itself is in the background. And here we returned to the starting place, the village of Moloses.